So you two have been testing some really important hypotheses here. Kenya or Ethiopia, which runners are fastest? And you've done it in two different ways. What were the ways you did it? You did it on the board first?
Yes, I did the calculations on the board.
And who was fastest in your calculations?
The Kenyans were faster, apparently.
The Kenyans were faster. Okay.
Yeah.
And Selena, where are you from?
Kenya.
Okay. Interesting. So that was the conclusion you came to. But Baymanit, you're from Ethiopia, so you did it on the computer. I suppose you found out the Ethiopians were fastest.
Well, I tried my best to make it so, but the data was against that. So I also found out the Kenyans were statistically faster than the
Wow,
Ethiopians.
that's brave of you to admit it.
Yeah.
And you did this. So you did
Numbers
you did an actual test. So you know that this is with some statistical degree of certainty that this is a fact. Then that we can say that Kenya is faster than Ethiopia.
Well, at least on the data set that we have.
Okay.
They are statistically faster.
Because that
than
can vary on different years. Then another year you might get a different result.
Yes.
Okay. You don't seem very convinced. You think Kenya is always going to be faster? Or,
Yeah, I think so. But the data we had is varied over the years, but it's top 100
Okay.
only. Maybe if you use other sets, maybe we can find a difference.
Okay.
I'm hopeful.
Okay. Well, thanks very much. Thanks.
Thank you.